Hadley, what are we going to draw today?
A chocolate bar.
A chocolate candy bar. Chocolate. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You have a marker or something to draw with, some paper, and
some coloring supplies.
Something to color with. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the bottom of our candy bar, the wrapper part. We're going to draw an L, the letter L. We're going to come down and then over. Almost is the same length. You can start right about here in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Down and over. Then let's draw the other side that's the same length, same height. Good. Now let's draw the wrapper that's peeled down and open. So we're going to start here and we're going to draw a zigzag line, and it can just be messy. You don't have to draw it exactly like mine. Good. And then on this side, let's draw it past. See how I drew it? Yeah, there you go. Now let's draw one line that comes up like this and another line that comes up. And look at this. I'm going to give you little points. We're going to draw it so that it's right above the little box that we drew first. Yeah. Now we can draw kind of a wavy S line above it to connect. Yeah. All right, now let's draw the chocolate bar that's on top. We're going to draw two more lines that come up like this, straight up, same length. Yeah. Perfect. And then, you know what? This side could go a little further up so that we can draw a bite on the corner.
Oh, that would be cool.
That'd be cool. Then we're going to draw the line that comes over like this, the top, but we don't want to connect it. Leave a little gap, and then we're going to draw U shapes for the bite. Right, we need to draw the little squares on a chocolate bar. So let's start right here. We'll draw a line right down the middle. Then let's draw a line right through the middle here. And then if we want, let's draw another line here and another line through the top up here. Cool. All right, now what we can do is add a little more detail to the candy bar by adding little boxes inside each of those rectangles. So if we just go around and trace the inside like that, it'll look really cool. Now this part we're going to fast forward, but you guys can pause the video to take time to finish this step. Each of the corners we can draw a diagonal line to make it look even more 3D. Now we'll fast forward again, but you guys can pause it one more time to finish this step. All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished our chocolate bar, except we're missing one more thing. What are we missing?
Funny face.
Yeah, we always need to add a funny face. Now you can leave the funny face off if you just want to draw a candy bar, but I think it always food always looks better with a funny face. Are you going to draw your own funny face?
Sure.
Okay, and I'm going to draw my funny face. And you guys at home can use your creativity to draw your funny face any way you want. I drew two circles, and then I also drew a smaller circle for the highlight and then colored it in. I love that your eyes look closed and you got the little eyelashes. That looks really pretty, Hadley. Good job. I'm missing a mouth. I'm going to draw a really happy mouth like this, but I'm also going to add teeth. I haven't added teeth in a while. And then I'm going to draw a little tongue, and I'm also going to color in the left side so that it looks a little open.
That's funny.
You like my mouth?
Yes.
I like yours too. I added also little lines above his eyes. All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing our candy bars, and yours looks super awesome, except we still need to do what?
Color it.
Yeah, it's gonna look so much better once we color it. Now this part we're gonna fast forward one more time, but you guys can pause the video at the end to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, you did a great job on coloring your chocolate bar. Now it looks super, super tasty. Did you have fun?
Yes.
I love that you colored your chocolate bar different. Our friends could do the same thing, or you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Now I also used dark brown and white to add highlights and shadows to the chocolate to make it look more 3D. But you can leave that off to keep this lesson a little easier.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your chocolate bars.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.